Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to add PayPal card to Apple Wallet. Now as of 2025, you can directly add PayPal as a standalone payment method to Apple Pay. However, if you have a PayPal debit or credit card, you can add it to your Apple Wallet and use it with Apple Pay for in-store and online purchases. Now, here are the requirements: PayPal debit or credit card. These cards are available in certain countries such as the United States, and the App Wallet. Ensure the App Wallet is installed on your iPhone. Now, steps to add PayPal card to Apple Wallet. Here's your first option: through the PayPal app. Open PayPal app on your iPhone, navigate to Wallet tab, select your PayPal debit or credit card, tap Manage, and then choose Add to Apple Wallet. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Option 2: through the Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, tap the plus icon to add a new card, select debit or credit card, choose Enter card details manually or scan your PayPal card. Enter your card information and follow the prompt to complete the setup. Note: PayPal credit and PayPal balance are not supported for direct addition to Apple Pay. PayPal debit and credit cards are issued by Synchrony Bank and are eligible for use when with Apple Pay. Availability of PayPal cards varies by countries. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.